Okay guys, so keeping to the theme of personal hygiene, I have another product to recommend you guys this time, and it is a smart ear pick by Beebird, which is kind of supported by Xiaomi, therefore the packaging looks very similar. And if you're wondering, like, Bruce, shouldn't we not be picking our ears of earwax and all that because it protects the ears and all that? Yes, true and false. True because yes, it protects the ears. False because the way I look at it is, if you wear earphones, and I mean in-ear earphones, the one which reach into the ear, naturally you'll be pushing earwax somewhere already. It's gonna be unnatural for the ears to form earwax. That and Q-tip. So anything that pushes earwax inwards, you should be digging your ears anyways. Now I'm pretty sure some of you have like a guilty pleasure on YouTube whereby you go online. It's kind of like pimple popper but for ears. So like earwax extraction and all that. That kind of video. So satisfying to watch. But what if I tell you, with this product, you can actually create your own videos. Let's open the packaging and have a look. It's the Beebird T5. This is, I think, the most basic model they have. There's some instruction manuals as well as usage instructions and a QR code for you to scan and therefore download the app. Very important. I'm gonna show you why next. Package itself is quite simple. It's just the device and two additional picks. Those two are hard. This is like a soft PU PVC thing that flexes along, and that's the one that I've been using all this while, no problem. It charges via mini USB, I think, and let me show you why it's so amazing. There's a light at the end, so you don't have to like shine an extra torchlight just to look inside. I already have the app installed, so I'm gonna just turn it on and then select the product. Once it's connected, I can press this. Guess what? I can now look inside my ears. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I've always had no issues digging my own ear, but it's just like sometimes you don't know if you are digging your ear or if you are actually scratching it. So having the camera actually helps. So aside from just digging your ears, right, you can also use various functions such as taking a photo, taking a video. So with this you can actually record the video of your own extraction. Is that amazing? When it comes to digging the ears of someone else, that's the problem because you have to shine light in just to look at where you're digging. That's probably the trickiest bit of it. I decided to try it out myself. Not myself, but on Shireen, and then have her try digging my ears using that. And these are the results. You see that? You see that?
But it's so hard to dig. I lie down, isn't it better?
Okay, you try lie down. Let's do your right ear first then. Oh! Oh, you see that? You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
This is the worst time to drop something.
Ew.
Oh!
Yeah, can you take it away?
What?
What? Let me see. Ugh.
It's not as big as your usual one. Does it hurt less now that you can see what's going on?
Yeah.
This is like a big piece, right? Oh! Oh, it's nasty! Oh my god. Yeah, this is damn fun, seriously. There's something satisfying about this. No, Simba, now is not the time. Go away. Oh no, did I drop one?
Stop dropping stuff.
Hey, you think so easy, yeah?
There's nothing.
There, so one piece. There's one orange piece in the back. And then, you see it? Oh. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
I can feel it like tearing away from my skin.
It will come out one.
I think that's all already.
Okay.
How would you rate this item?
Not bad.
I give this
Good.
a 10 out of 10.
A bit gross,
Yeah, but that's the point of it.
but okay. Let's go eat.
Yeah, let's go eat. Alright, that's it for the video. I hope you are not grossed out by it. So would I recommend this? Yes, definitely yes. I think this is the future of ear digging. So satisfying to use. So safe to use, especially because you know what you're digging, where you're reaching, where you're scratching, and you lower the risk of injuring yourself. That's probably the most important part of it, I feel. This runs up to 119 yuan. With shipping, you're looking at about maybe 125 or so. That works out to about $25, which is quite pricey for an ear pig. But when you consider the fact that there's battery, there's lights, there's even video transmissions, I think it's all the more worth it, and it makes ear digging so much more safer, so much more enjoyable. So yeah, if you like this, please go ahead and buy it. I have the Taobao link in the description. Bye bye, see you next time. Hopefully I'm not doing another personal hygiene video in front of you.